Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. I'm watching that many people are facing problem how to download QBasic and how to use it on Windows. So there I'm going to give you a solution. So look, I have given you a link in a WhatsApp group. Just download this setup file. There's a folder QBasic 64 and the 64-bit. 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system, there's a choice. If your operating system is 32-bit, you can download that version. Otherwise, you can download this one. So first, after downloading this setup, what you have to do, just right click and extract files. So it will take time. It will show you like this. My work is going on in the back. It will take few minutes. So after uh, extracting, you will get folder like this. If you want, you can remove back that folder also. So now just open this folder and click on this icon, QB64 icon. Now a video window will open. Yes, this is your program window. Now here you can write your program. So see that, let's check it's working or not. Write first command print in a double quote. I will print my name G and press F5. See it's working or not. If you get output means it is working, otherwise it is not working. So creating .exe file, it will take first time, it takes time. Just keep patience. It happens. You can find other setups also, but first time it will take time only. It is creating output file. You will get output window. Wait, wait. It can come anytime. Yes, you saw output is here. My name is Jeet. So you can close it. I show you again. When you press F5, now you will get your output on screen. Look, my name is Jeet. So I'm going to do another program. Here I will tell you how to add two numbers. So just input, double quote, inside double quote write message, enter, to, enter, FIRST first, number, and comma, A. Again input, enter, second number, comma, B. Automatic all commands are getting in capital letters, getting converted. Okay, now add them. So sorry, add equal A plus B. Add subtract A minus B. DI with div A divided by B. MUL A asterisk B. Print your message. Print addition equal comma A. Print enter. Print space. Second is subtraction. Subtraction equal B. Sorry, not B, not A. Is add. Add. Second one, SUB subtract. Done. We are able to print. Next is division. Division equal comma div2. Print. Next command is print equation equal mul.